Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with Bitcoin USD pair and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
Bitcoin has fallen 1.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator moved into positive territory. The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator collapsed into oversold territory. The sterling dollar pair has lost 0.6% in the last session. Stochastic shifted sharply into the negative zone. The Aussie dollar pair has fallen 0.8% in the last session. The RSI has transitioned into the negative zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Alibaba Group Holding Limited stock has risen 71% in the last year, outperforming the market and thus included in Horizon Kinetics' top picks. Currency traders are seeing increased demand for derivatives that enable holders to position for a stronger pound amid improved chances of a Brexit trade deal. UK watchdog bans the sale of cryptocurrency derivatives to individual investors to protect small-time investors from large price swings.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Swiss unemployment rate will be released at 3:45 GMT, the German trade balance at 400 GMT, the Canadian housing starts at 10:15 GMT, the U.S. initial jobless claims at 10:30 GMT, the Canadian building permits at 10:30 GMT, and the Japanese GDP at 21:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial market.